Hello and welcome to our channel. My name's Otto. Today we've just going to do a quick video on how to place the Starline i96 in valet mode using one of two procedures. So if you're using your Starline i96 phone paired obviously to the vehicle, if you jump in the vehicle you'll see a green circle, put your finger on the key, it'll start to spin round and then eventually it will go to amber. When it goes to amber, release, you'll get two bleeps and now it's in valet mode. Once you receive the vehicle back, again, put your finger on the key, make sure you're within the vehicle till it goes back to green, let go, you get two bleeps. There it goes, out of valet mode. Now I'm going to show you if you're using a push sequence. So now if you're going to use a push sequence, what you basically do is just turn the ignition on, insert your code, which will be different to this, till you get your melody to confirm it's disarm. So 1, 2, 3, or whatever your code is. There's our disarm melody. Then hit one of the buttons that you've used for the push sequence 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the start button off, pause and back on. You'll get two bleeps. There's our two bleeps. It's now in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, just basically turn the ignition on, insert your push sequence, and you'll get the same two bleeps to come out. There you go. So as I said, there's one of two ways of doing it, using either the push sequence or using your phone in the Starline key app. Any questions, give us a call 0289 060 478, 0289 060 478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.